In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize table Notion tutorial. Whether you're organizing tasks, planning content, or just tidying up your workspace, resizing a table so it fits your page makes everything easier to read and manage. I'll walk you through it clearly and give you a few helpful tips along the way. Start by moving your cursor onto the table you want to adjust. You're looking for the edges of the table or the lines where columns meet. As you glide along those borders, keep an eye on your cursor. When you're in the right spot, it will change into a pair of twin, opposite-facing arrows. That cursor change is your visual cue that the table or column can be resized. Once you see those twin arrows, click and hold your mouse or trackpad, then drag to resize. If you're on the divider between two columns, dragging left or right will make one column narrower and the other wider. This is perfect for tightening up columns with short entries and giving extra space to columns with longer text. If you're on the outside edge of the table, dragging adjusts the overall table width within the page, helping it sit cleanly in your layout. Release the mouse button when the table looks just right, and your changes are instantly applied. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Move slowly as you hover so you don't accidentally click into a cell and start editing text. If you're having trouble catching the edge, zoom in a notch in your browser to get a bit more precision. As you drag, watch the content. If text starts wrapping or gets cut off, nudge the edge a little further until everything is readable. And if you make a change you don't like, you can immediately undo it with your standard undo shortcut. That's really all there is to it. Hover over the table's edges or column dividers, wait for the twin arrows to appear, then click, drag, and release to set the size. Take a moment to fine-tune each column so your most important information has room to breathe, and your table will feel polished and easier to scan. And there you go, quick, clean, and effective. With just a simple hover, a visual cue, and a drag, you can reshape your Notion table to match your content and your style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your workspace neat and readable.